I got Mikey with me for sure.
Let's go. Got my confidence up, I got slide by Noah. He got me shining like mineral oil. Put me in the dough with them my ties and balls. Let's go. Looking like I just won an award. The way that I'm chop, I should go out on tour. I did it by myself like an entrepreneur. I know that she bad, that's the reason she spoiled. She liking me cause I'm chopped by Noah.
You want 3? You say you want 3? That's unwrapped with 2 boxes. What the fuck?
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy SliceGod, LilNoah, back with another video, and today I got my boy Justin in the chair and he getting a bald fade with the Gucci. He recently just cut his hair off not too long ago and he left an area in the back to support his unique look. Let's get to it. First thing first was to knock the hair down. Now we sitting in our first guideline, which is the bald guideline. We sitting it in with our gold style craft trimmers. Then we're going to flip these trimmers around and bald out the area underneath that guideline. Next, we're going in with our gold low pros clippers by Babyliss, and we sitting in our second guideline with the lever fully open. We're setting it in about 1 inch wide. Then we're going to close the lever little by little until that guideline is blended. I like to flip the clipper around fully closed to get at this hard line like I'm doing now, but be careful when doing this because some people clippers might be a little too sharp or whatever, so just be careful doing it. Now for our third guideline, we're going in with our number 1 guard with the lever open. We're sitting in this guideline about 1 inch wide as well, and then we're going to work our way down until it's fully blended. I just threw on a number 2 guard and we flicking out instead of sitting in the guideline. So as we reach the top or the ridge of his head, we flicking out, which means coming out the head. Now with that 1.5 guard, we're connecting that number 2 with that number 1 guard. So we basically connecting the top of the head to the fade. And as always, with every guard, we start with the lever open and working our way down until it's fully closed. Right here, I decided to throw on a number 3 guard to help smooth out that blend right in that parietal ridge area. Now for the last step of this fade, I'm back with my lever open and I'm flicking out the last faint line. I'm detailing as I go, using a lot of corner work. If you don't feel comfortable using this step, you can use a 0 guard, a 1/16 guard, or a half guard, depending on what clipper you are using. Okay.
And training purposes. Please remain on the line, and the next available representative will take your call. Noah, you on here?
Good, ma'am.
Whenever I walk in the bar.